Hello everyone. So the next problem in this series is A and B together can do a piece of work in 4 by 5 days. B and C, so here A and B together can do it in 5 days. B and C together can do it in 8 days. And A, B and C together can do it in 4 days. So here A plus B plus C can do it in 7 days. So we need to find how long will it take for A and C to do it together. So to begin with the solution, first let us simplify 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 will be 5 into 4, 20 plus 4, that is 24, which will be equal to 24 by 5. So now we have 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 5 upon 24, because 4 by 5 is 24 by 5, so just a reciprocal of it will be 5 upon 24, 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. Further we have the work done by B and work done by C together is 1 by 8, because they take 8 days together, and work done by A plus work done by B plus work done by C together is 1 by 4, because they take 4 days together. So by simplifying these equations, we get the value of A is equal to 8 days, value of B is equal to 12 days, and value of C is equal to 24 days. So I am considering here that you can solve these simple calculations, you can do these simple calculations and get these values. So if you are not able to solve these simple calculations, you can mention them in the comment section below, and then further I can do the simple calculations too. So now we have the value of A, B and C together. So now we can say that A and C together will take 8 into 24 by 32. So 8 into 24 by 32, because A and C. So A and C, therefore 24 plus 8 is 32, and the value of C is, so C upon C plus A. So A into C upon C plus A is the formula, which will come to 6 days. So A and C together will take 6 days to do this given work. Thank you.